By default, Affinity uses and saves in the format .af, but do you know that we can also open different kind of file formats like Photoshop file format, which is .psd, and Illustrator file format, which is .ai in Affinity. So let's check this out today in this video. So in order to open an Illustrator file format, first of all, let's right click on the Illustrator.ai file and then hover over open with, and then click on Affinity to open the file in Affinity. So Affinity is firing up, and as soon as we fire up or open the Affinity, it will show us a dialog box that gives us a settings of import as it is an Illustrator file. I'll check on the artboard option for now, and I'll leave the DPI option as it is and click on the open button. Now you can see that all of the artworks that were present or available in Illustrator file has been successfully opened in Affinity, and every layer for each of the artwork has been created in the layers panel like so. So the next thing that I was really surprised about is the resolution about the artwork in page 3. The resolution in Illustrator was fine and crisp. However, the resolution after being exported or opened in Affinity is a bit jaggedy. However, overall, I'm really impressed by Affinity that it is able to open the file formats of Illustrator. Now let's check the file format of Photoshop, whether Affinity can open this particular Photoshop file also as well or not. So right now we have Photoshop file in our desktop, which is this, and let's navigate to open with and click on Affinity. And as soon as I click on Affinity, now Affinity has been successfully able to open the PSD or Photoshop file format as well. And this particular layer has been created as a smart object, and also a few camera raw filters have been applied to this layer. So Affinity has created this particular layer as a new embedded document. So this is how you can open Photoshop file format and an Illustrator file format in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, then please press the like button, and if you want more videos like this in the future, then hit on the subscribe button for new content. Thanks for watching this video.